Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So today we're continuing our little series with SAT Math challenge problems. So today is one of my personal favorites actually. It's a really crazy exponent problem that requires a little bit of breaking down in order to get the answer. So as always, make sure to pause, try the problem first before I provide the solution. See if you can do it. If so, fantastic. If not, well, that's why we're here, so I can help you do it. So again, guys, just wanted to let you know that all of the links for our SAT Math workbook and the June SAT crash course will be linked in the description down below. So without further ado, let's hop into today's video. Alrighty, here we go. Practice test 5, the no calculator section, number 12. One of my personal favorite exponent questions. So that's how you know we're in for a very joyful experience today. All right, so they ask us for 9 to the 3 over 4. So you might think, there's an easier way to do this, like maybe, 9 is 3 squared. Unfortunately, you can't really do anything with that because what I want to point out is that the top number here, whenever we have a fractional exponent like this, the top number is what's going to go on the inside of the radical like this, and then the bottom number here goes on the outside of the radical like that. So unfortunately, as it stands right now, there's really not much you can do unless you break this down a little bit further. So what I want to point out, let's go ahead and leave that 4 on the outside here. 9 cubed is the same thing as writing 9 times 9 times 9. So that's what it means to be cubed, is that you're multiplying that number by itself 3 consecutive times. 9 times 9 times 9. All right, well, 9 happens to be a special number in that if we take the square root of it, we can break it down into 3 times 3 because the square root of 9 is 3. So what that means then, let's go ahead and break this down even further. We're going to break down each of the 9s here into 3. Okay, so if we wanted to rewrite this now, we can rewrite this as, again, leaving the 4th root on the outside there, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Woo, that's a tongue twister. Okay, so we can see that there are I'm going to put this so we know we're counting and they're not actual numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threes right here. So again, just as we said 9 cubed was 9 times 9 times 9, 3 times 3 times 3, however many times, is going to be 3 raised to the 6th power. So we can break that down right here into 3 raised to the 6th. 3 raised to the 6th, because we see that there's a 4 on the outside right here, it would be really convenient to rewrite this as 3 to the 4th times 3 squared, because you can always break down an exponent into each of its bases like this, and we add the exponent parts together, which is why 3 to the 6th is the same thing as 3 to the 4th times 3 squared, because adding these two together right here would spit back 3 to the 6th. Okay, so 3 to the 4th, if you were to take the 4th root of that, that would just become 3. So this becomes 3 right here, and then we're left with this 3 squared over here to the 4th. So 3 squared to the 4th, if we were to rewrite that as an exponent like this up here, that would give us 3 times 3 to the 2 over 4, which is the exact same thing as 3 times 3 to the 1/2. And anything raised to the 1/2 power, that's the same thing as taking the square root of it, which means that this is 3 square root of 3, which as a final answer then ends up spitting back choice D. So there we go. That's how we want to break down a question like this into multiple parts so it becomes easier for us to solve. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the magic of exponents that will appear on the SAT. Obviously, this is an especially difficult question. This is not, your standard exponents problem, so no worries there. Again, guys, make sure to check out our SAT Math workbook that covers pretty much all of the content that's tested on the SAT math section, all 20 chapters with QR code generated solutions. I mean, look at this bad boy right here. And also check out the link for the June crash course in the description down below, where we cover all 4 sections of the SAT, reading, writing, and both the maths. So again, guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.